Okay, Ava. Can you take Daddy a turtle? Where's the turtle? Yay! Can you go give it to Dad?
Thank you. Yeah.
Where's Noah? Can you give Daddy Noah? Good job. Go give it to Daddy. Go give Noah to Dad.
Thank you.
Can you give... Where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? Can you go give the elephant to Dad?
Thank you, Ava. That's very good.
Hey, Ava. Come here, honey. Where's the giraffe?